Hello and welcome. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to identify plants using a Python script that integrates both Google Vision API for image recognition and OpenAI's API for detailed descriptions. The Python script allows you to either capture an image directly from your laptop's camera or select an image file from your system. Once an image is selected, the script sends it to the Google Vision API, which detects various labels associated with the plant, such as houseplant, flowering plant, or other characteristics. As I select different plant images, you'll see the script analyze each one, starting with this sunflower image. The Google Vision API identifies labels like flowering plant, herbaceous plant, and sunflower, confirming the plant type. The script then sends these labels to OpenAI's API, which generates detailed information about the plant, including its characteristics, habitat, and care instructions. For instance, for this sunflower, OpenAI describes its care needs and growth habits based on the detected labels, providing an in-depth explanation for anyone interested in learning more about their plants. Let's select another plant image to see the process again. And there you have it. With this Python script, using the Google Vision API for image recognition and OpenAI for detailed descriptions, you can easily identify and learn about various plants.